This video is going to be on the motorcycle cam that I got and put on my dad's Polaris RZR 1000. My brother and I inherited it from my dad, and as you know, VIOFO sent me a camera for both the Bel Air and the truck that I installed in both, and I'm happy with both of them. I haven't used the one in the Bel Air a lot because it was the end of the cruising season, but the one in the truck I've used a fair amount. I have some video on it that I could shame a few people. One old guy running a stop sign and just some obnoxious drivers out there, but I just didn't, you know, upload it because what's the point? But anyway, VIOFO sent me the MT1 motorcycle camera, and my 76 Honda XL175 has a 6-volt electrical system. So I contacted them before they sent it and let them know that it wouldn't work on it because it's 6 volt. Well, I told them we had this RZR, Polaris RZR, and they sent it anyway to have it installed on that because they said they've never had one installed on a, you know, something like that. So anyway, my brother installed it. He sent me some photos, just, you know, still photos of him doing the work, so I'll include them in this video. If I can find the video on, I showed it in a past video, kind of a rundown of what it is. I'll put that in this video. And then he took some video with it actually operating on the RZR. He took a ride down one of the country roads by his house. I'll put a clip of that in, and then we got some snow, and he was having fun in the snow, doing donuts and riding around, and just overall fun with the RZR. The snow was really beautiful on the trees and whatnot, so I'll put a little bit of video clips of that in too. I think you'll enjoy the videos, so you might want to stick it out and watch them all. And I don't think this video is going to be terribly long, but I'm just putting it up because I told VIOFO I would, and also so you could see how this motorcycle cam works. I'm pleased with it. I think the Wi-Fi, you know, they've improved on the Wi-Fi from what I understand. You got to, like, if you really want it to work good, you put your phone in airplane mode, and then the Wi-Fi from the trail cam or the motorcycle MT1 camera works much better. But overall, I'm happy with the quality of the photo and the sound and everything, you know, considering it's on a noisy as heck, you know, Polaris RZR 1000, and the sound's good. I can hear my brother talking in it. You can hear the engine in the RZR, and also he took that Teslong camera that he borrowed, and he did took some photos of the valves. I'll include that in here. He said the intakes are starting to hammer out. So, you know, those things have really strong valve springs so that they're a performance engine. This is the non-turbocharged version. You can get it in a non or turbocharged version. But anyway, he's already adjusted the valve lash on it once because it wouldn't start because it had no valve lash and wouldn't build enough compression because of it. So, you know, it's one of those things. He has a KTM dirt bike, and he's rebuilt the head every few years, and I think he finally had to replace the head. It's just a common thing with those performance off-road engines. And so anyway, I'm going to put some video up here. Hopefully you enjoy it, and hopefully I can find all the clips for you that I want to put in. This is the head unit that you can mount, and this is probably where all gadgetry, your memory card and whatnot goes in. And then obviously all your wire connectors, which these are like threaded waterproof connectors. I put one together there just so you could kind of see, and it comes with a fuse holder on the power lead. That's waterproof too. It comes with mounting stuff, mounting brackets, memory card, pretty much everything, the mic and the you know, to start and stop recording manually. This will automatically start recording once you turn the key on and stop when you turn the key off. But if you want to record when the key's off, you can push that. This is the GPS that tells the speed and your location. This camera is not very big. You can see that's probably up with the arrow, but if I put it on the tape measure here, I don't know if this will, hopefully we can get you guys some ideas. So I'll start it at the 2-inch. So it looks like it's about 1.75 inches by maybe 1 inch tops. So they're not very big cameras, so they won't take up a lot of space, which is kind of nice.
Two-wheel drive. Well, shouldn't have spoke so soon, huh? Wonder how muddy the roads are going to be.
It was snowing and the camera got caked in snow. That's why the video looks like it does. Taillights looked awesome reflecting on the snow doing donuts in the road there.
sideways. Oh yeah, they salted. Shit. They salted. I gotta go. They salted the damn roads.
This is from the inspection camera, and you can kind of see the valves that were around a little bit, and the cylinders cross-hatched, and the pistons with the valve reliefs. I think this is the intakes on the other cylinder, a little worn. There's exhaust, I think, and the exhaust on the other cylinder. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button. If you like my videos, you can subscribe by hitting that 348 icon that pops up there. And thank you for watching my video.